Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and I'm hanging out on the back of a brand new 2024 Sea Ray. Guys, this is a 310 SLX, and those are outboards. This has got 300 Mercuries hanging out at the back, and the back of this boat is a killer place to be. Obviously, I'm on a wonderful sun pad, stereo controls, sea deck throughout. Got a super nice dune kind of camel color all throughout this boat, and if you're looking on the Sea Ray website, it's called dune interior and a brown floor, but it's that real rich camel. Look at your girlfriend's Louis Vuitton bag. That's where you're going to find a color just like this. Rear sunshade on the back of this boat, absolutely fantastic. The stereo is really good. Guys, last year they refreshed this countertop. It's a much lighter color. It's beautiful. It works very nicely. And this boat is optioned with a refrigerator down here. Huge rear table in the back of this boat. And this is one of the things we love. This chair spins around over 180 degrees. It just opens the whole back up into a social area. When you're hanging out back here, and it doesn't matter, you can run the sunshade out in those sunny days, but this boat has an opening canvas over top, so you can open that up even if it's middle of January. And yes, this is Florida. We boat in January. Amazing screens at the dash. These are 12-inch Simrads. They're all touch. They're wonderful. They work very well. Engine data is nice. Joystick. You actually have controls. Super cool, guys. Tactile controls for the screens right there. Super nice. If you just don't want to lean forward and touch them, you've got auto trim tabs on this boat, auto engine trim on this boat, bolsters, power steering, huge. I mean, come on. The list goes on forever. Guys, this is utterly classic. This beautiful dune interior, white exterior. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax Sarasota, and this is one of our 2024 Sea Rays. We'll see you soon.